Hi, my name is Nick.
And I'm Noah.
Welcome back to the channel.
Yeah, today we're going to talk about going to the library.
Dude, check this out. Look at this building.
Whoa, for real? That's a huge library.
Yeah, it's kind of like stepping into another world.
Totally. I love how quiet and chill it looks inside.
Okay, so first things first, we gotta get inside.
Yeah, but which door is the main entrance?
I think it's that one with all the glass and the big letters library.
No way, it looks so fancy.
Hey, before we go in, let's do a quick repeat. Say it with me. Library.
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 Perfect. That's legit the first word you need.
Okay, walking up the steps? Wow, look at all these people.
Yeah, some are reading, some are on laptops, and others are just chilling.
Totally. I remember my first time in a library, I felt like I was sneaking into a secret world.
For real? Tell me more.
I was like 7 and I found this tiny, colorful book hidden behind a shelf. It was magical.
That's awesome, dude. Makes me wonder what we'll find today.
Yeah, let's do a mini role play. Repeat after me. Excuse me, could you tell me where the fiction books are?
All right, first challenge, asking someone where the fiction section is.
Awesome. Now imagine you're walking and asking for help in real life.
Totally. That's a legit skill.
Okay, we're inside now. Look at all the shelves, rows and rows of books.
Yeah, wow. The smell of books is kind of amazing, right?
For real. And check out that corner over there. It's all quiet with comfy chairs.
Let's go explore it. Hey, let's do a listening check. I'll say a word, you repeat. Shelf.
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 Great. Now, reading.
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 Reading. Okay, I spy a colorful book over there.
No way. That cover is bright red.
Yeah, it's kind of calling my name.
Haha, books can do that, dude. Sometimes they just grab your attention. So let's talk vocabulary for a sec. Repeat after me. Borrow.
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 And return.
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 Wow, this library has computers too, did you notice?
Yeah, for research, games, or just chill stuff.
That's awesome. Libraries are not just for books anymore.
Totally. They're kind of like community hubs now.
Hey, mini challenge. Can you remember these words we just learned?
Yeah, let's try library, shelf, reading, borrow, return.
Exactly. You got it, dude.
Okay, walking past the magazines now. Wow, check out all these covers.
Yeah, everything from cooking to travel to sports.
Makes me want to grab one and just sit here all day.
Haha, I get you, dude. Libraries are kind of magical like that.
Magical.
All right, before we move deeper, one more quick pronunciation practice. Repeat, magical.
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 So, we're at the middle of the library now.
Perfect. You're killing it.
Can you see that hidden little reading nook?
Yeah, it's cozy, kind of like a secret fort for book lovers.
For real. I wonder what book we'll find there.
Let's check it out next.
And that's kind of where our adventure begins today.
Whoa, check out this nook.
Yeah, it's like a little secret world, dude.
Look at these cushions and the soft light coming through the window. Totally chill.
For real, I could sit here for hours reading.
Hey, before we grab a book, let's do a quick repeat. Say it with me. Reading nook.
Reading nook.
Reading nook.
Reading nook.
Perfect. That's a cool term to know.
Okay, so here's the fun part. Let's pick some books.
Yeah, but which section first? Fiction, history, or maybe travel?
Let's start with fiction. Always a good choice.
Whoa, did you see that book with the shiny cover over there?
No way! That's pretty cool. I wonder what it's about.
For real, I'm kind of curious too.
Quick fun fact, dude. Some libraries even lend musical instruments.
Wait, what? For real? That's insane.
Totally. So you can borrow a guitar or even a keyboard sometimes.
Libraries are legit magical. All right, time for a micro challenge. Repeat after me. Fiction,
Fiction.
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 Now, nonfiction,
Nonfiction.
nonfiction.
Nonfiction. Okay, I'm gonna grab this mystery book. The cover's kind of glowing under the light.
No way, that's like a mini cliffhanger already.
Totally, dude. I wonder what's inside.
Hey, let's do a role play. Imagine you're asking the librarian for this book. Repeat. Excuse me, could I borrow this mystery book? All right, walking past the history section now. Wow, look at all these old maps and pictures.
Yeah, for real. Some of these books are hundreds of years old.
That's awesome, dude. Imagine holding a piece of history in your hands.
Quick ESL challenge. Pronounce these words with me. History, map, ancient.
History, map, ancient.
History, map, ancient.
Okay, let's peek at the travel section. Oh man, these covers make me want to hop on a plane right now.
For real, dude. Look at this book about Costa Rica. The beaches, the forests.
Totally. It's like we can feel the sun just by looking at it.
Speaking of sun, libraries are kind of the opposite, huh? Quiet, calm, no distractions.
Yeah, that's why they're perfect for practicing English. You can focus on reading or listening.
Yeah, they're discussing something. Sounds like they're practicing their English, too.
Exactly. Libraries are full of learning opportunities beyond just books.
All right, time for a listening check. I'll describe a section, you guess. It's full of stories about real events, people, and facts.
Nonfiction?
Exactly.
Dude, look at that art section. Paintings, sketchbooks, and magazines.
Wow, libraries really have everything. Music, art, history, even languages.
Totally. Makes me want to spend a whole day exploring every corner.
Okay, pronunciation time again. Repeat, magazine.
Magazine. So I grabbed a fiction book, Noah grabbed a mystery one.
And I'm already hooked by the first page.
That's the best feeling, dude. Nothing beats the excitement of a new story.
Quick mini quiz. What sections did we visit so far?
Fiction, history, travel, art, and magazines.
Exactly. You got it, dude.
Hey, there's even a small cafe in the library. Smells like coffee and pastries. Wow.
For real, I could use a latte while reading my mystery book.
Totally. Libraries are basically a full experience now.
And check it out. The sun is slowly setting outside. The light is shining on the shelves, making everything look magical.
Wow, for real, that's cinematic. Makes me even more excited to see what else we find here. So, our little adventure is just heating up. Dude, this nook is perfect.
Yeah, I could just dive into my mystery book right now.
But first, let's see if we can find any other hidden gems around here.
Whoa, check that shelf. So many colorful spines.
No way. Some of these books look super old.
For real, I love how libraries keep stories alive.
Hey, mini quiz. Repeat after me. Hidden gem.
Hidden gem.
Hidden gem.
Hidden gem. Okay, so I found a funny children's book. Remember when we were kids, we'd read silly stories like this?
Totally. And I bet it still makes you laugh just like before.
For real, let's try reading a line together. Repeat after me. The cat danced on the table.
Whoa, careful there. Almost dropped the stack of books.
Yeah, libraries are kind of like treasure hunts sometimes.
All right, let's talk genres for a sec. Fiction, mystery, history. Which one's your favorite?
I think mystery for sure. I love the suspense.
Totally. Nothing beats a plot twist.
Exactly. That's why I can't put this book down.
Speaking of suspense, check this out. There's a note tucked in one of the pages.
No way. That's like a mini cliffhanger in real life.
Dude, libraries are full of surprises.
ESL practice time. Repeat after me. I want this book.
I want this book.
I want this book.
Now imagine asking a friend to help find a book. Say, "Can you help me find this?"
Can you help me find this?
Perfect. That's legit conversational English right there.
All right, walking past the science section now. Wow, look at all these experiments and facts.
For real, some of these books make learning so fun.
Totally, dude. It's like exploring a whole new world.
Exactly.
Man, this library is kind of magical. Every corner has a story waiting to be discovered.
Yeah, I can feel it too. Makes me want to come back every day.
I wonder what other surprises we'll find next time.
For real. Can't wait to see what's hidden in the other sections.
And that's kind of where we leave our adventure today.
All right, dude. Time to head to the checkout counter.
Yeah, gotta make sure we return these on time.
Totally. Libraries are all about borrowing responsibly.
Hey, quick repeat after me. Borrow and return.
Borrow, return.
Borrow, return.
So, we've got our mystery book, the children's book, and a fiction one. Feels like a treasure haul.
For real, dude. Every book has its own story, kind of like mini adventures waiting for us.
Check out this tiny library map on the counter. Wow, some sections we didn't even explore.
No way. I wonder what we'll find next time.
Totally. Libraries always have surprises around the corner.
ESL challenge. Pronounce these. Due date, library card, borrowed book.
Due date, library card, borrowed book.
Due date, library card, borrowed book.
Hey, remember that hidden note we found in the mystery book?
Yeah, that was like a little secret just for us.
Makes reading even more exciting, doesn't it?
Exactly. And libraries are full of moments like that.
All right, mini quiz. What's one new word we learned today?
Reading nook.
Totally correct.
Okay, motivational moment. Libraries aren't just about books, they're about discovering new worlds, learning, and having fun while practicing English.
For real, every visit makes you smarter and more confident.
And it's totally chill. You can go at your own pace.
So if you enjoyed this adventure, do us a favor. Hit that subscribe button.
Yeah, and leave a comment. What's your favorite section in a library?
Totally. We'd love to hear your thoughts.
And hey, don't forget to check out our next story. It's going to be pretty cool.
Exactly. More adventures, more English practice, more fun.
All right, one last pronunciation practice. Repeat after me. Magical library adventure.
Magical library adventure.
Magical library adventure.
Wow, dude, today was awesome. Can't wait to dive into our next story.
For real. And remember, practicing a little every day makes English learning fun and easy.
That's it for today, friends. Keep reading, keep exploring, and keep speaking English.
Totally. We'll see you in the next adventure.
Bye for now.
Bye.